The visa-free regime has been introduced between China and Georgia for our citizens. Mutually, we have the direct flights between our two countries. We have the free trade agreement signed between the two countries. So we have a very tangible results in terms of our partnership. We are very much committed to this friendship and cooperation, and we are very much committed to further strengthening the cooperation between China and Georgia. Project, the longest ever tunnel in Georgia, has been constructed, which plays a very important role for us in terms of strengthening our connectivity function. It has a very important economic impact. It will have also a very important social impact. It will also promote tourism in this very important region for Georgia. All these investments, all these projects will play a very important role for us in order to be an important part of the global initiative.